If you start learning Blender today, where will you really be in 12 months? Not the Instagram fantasy version, the real, realistic beginner to skilled truth. Because most people don't fail at Blender from lack of talent. They fail because they follow no real roadmap. In this video, I'm giving you the exact 12-month Blender learning roadmap I would follow if I had to start from zero again. No fluff, no random tutorials, just a clear, step-by-step path from total beginner to skilled, portfolio-ready 3D artist. By the end of this video, you'll know what to learn each phase, what to build every few months, when you can realistically start making money. But there's one critical phase almost everyone rushes through, and it silently ruins their progress. I'll show you where that is in a second. If you skip even one of these phases, you might still learn Blender, but your growth will be slower, messy, and frustrating. Let's fix that from day one. Months 1 to 3, the foundation phase. This phase is where most people either build confidence or quit forever. Get comfortable inside Blender without overwhelming yourself. Learn Blender interface and navigation. Object mode versus edit mode. Basic modeling, cubes, cylinders, booleans. Scale, rotation, transforms. Simple materials. Basic lighting. Simple renders with EV. Nothing fancy. Just the rules of the world you're now living in. Build everyday props. Mugs, tables, bottles, phones, tools. At least 5 to 10 small objects. They won't look impressive yet, and that's normal. The big mistake here is trying to jump into characters, complex animations, or cinematic scenes too early. This is the phase most people rush, and that's why they struggle later. Months 4 to 6, real projects begin. This is where you get comfortable in Blender and it starts to feel fun. Try to build 2 full scenes. For example, a bedroom, a product setup, a small environment. Try one short animation, logo animation, loop, or turntable. This is where you go from, I'm learning Blender, to I actually make things in Blender. While you're building this real-world projects, you will learn UV unwrapping, texture painting, key modifiers, subdivision, mirror, solidify, proper lighting setups, camera composition, simple animations. Stop feeling like a tutorial watcher and start feeling like a 3D artist. You can now post on ArtStation, share on TikTok and Reels, upload on YouTube as progress content. Not for money yet, but for visibility. Months 7 to 9, skill upgrade phase, getting serious. Move from decent to actually impressive. This is where you choose a direction. Pick one main path. Game assets, animation, motion graphics, product visualization, or VFX. Trying to do everything here will slow you down again. Try to learn advanced materials, basic geometry nodes, realistic lighting, better rendering, and compositing. Build 3 to 5 strong portfolio pieces. This is when people start asking, did you go to school for this? Here's the real truth about your first year in Blender. In 12 months, you won't be a legend. You won't be perfect, but you will be skilled. You will have a real portfolio. You could be earning online. You will understand how 3D actually works. The people who fail aren't dumb. They're just unstructured. Structure beats motivation every time. Now here's the real question. What if you followed this exact roadmap daily? With a simple 30-minute a-day routine? How fast could you grow then? Because most people don't lose because they're slow. They lose because they're inconsistent. If this roadmap just saved you from years of confusion, subscribe right now. This channel is all about learning 3D the smart way. And if you want me to create a daily 30-day beginner Blender plan, comment beginner plan below, and I'll drop it as a full step-by-step guide.